name on it?
I thought those were Amazon. You know? Alright, let's see what's going on. Look, man, it was the inauguration, federal law and the state law. Vice President Madams, taxes look good. I'm paying some of the taxes. Look good. Even why are not paying as many taxes? Bernie Sanders almost died. He was freezing his ass off out there. In front of you. You know it. I know it. Everybody knows it. It's daggone shame. No one offers this man a real coat. They should have got him a pea coat. Fourth down, James Harden first and goal. Houston. Somebody got to make a play. Somebody got to make the right call. They're not even in St. Louis no more. 55 Rams in LA now. I don't know what type of sweater robe he did. What are we going to do when first and go? Man, someone tell me something. Somebody throw the ball, me, run the ball, do something. Jordan got to make a play. How does that work? In that position? The arm with raw talent. Some call him a visionary. Some call him a trendsetter. Yo, some go as far as to say he adds flavor. But I know what he really is. What the? Not about that life. But who ain't about that? You ain't about that. Huh? That's right. Where you been at, boy? You ain't been posting, you ain't been putting on YouTube. I know who you really are. You're tired. What is happening right now? You ain't about it. You can't do it no more. You're washed up. Your greatest hits done passed. You're working at a car wash. Got my eye on you, boy, but not anymore. All washed up. So in this segment, we're going to be covering Niamu, who used to be a talent. Wait, hold on. Am I lying? Okay, first of all, I ain't washed up. I didn't lose nothing. I'm definitely about that, okay? I literally just finished a project, okay? I have a friend who commissioned me to do some Converse Heels. Her name is Ayana. We wanted to put a galaxy on it. So I had lots of galaxy flavor with Angela's paint. And I used neon colors as well as aqua, turquoise, pink colors, orange. You know, faded out the black stars, and I added a sun and moon to represent yin yang because she's a certified yogi. So sun and moon is yin yang symbol for yoga. So I'm definitely working. But that's all cute and dandy, son. That's just for YouTube. Let's be realistic about it. We ain't got it no more. We're washed up. Now here I shoot straight facts. Rest in peace to the career of Niamu Raw Talent. When we come back, bunny rabbits. The new predator of 2021. Guess we're getting into naps, huh? Some avocados. Play my music. Avocados. 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 What now? Okay. I've infiltrated the house of Niamu, the Raw Talent, and I'm going to give my people proof. My viewers asked for proof that he ain't working. I got proof. I've infiltrated his operation base, so I guess some people call it home. I'm going to flip the camera and show y'all what I got. See him there, just chilling. He ain't doing nothing. He ain't about that life. Uh-oh. Yo! Come here. Bring the car around. Bring the car around. Be sure to like and subscribe. All right, let's get into it, guys. So we've already done our prep work, taping off the boot that we're not painting, as well as laying down a couple layers of flat white. So now for the inside of the shoe, I'm using the sponge technique where I take my hand sponge and dab each color to mix it in and blend it evenly. And then I'm going to take my flat black with an airbrush and fade the black over it to kind of give some depth, as in we're deep in space without color for nebulous. So I'm doing this technique to show different techniques on the inside of the shoe, and then on the outside we're going to be using our airbrush. So we're just taking our sponge, dabbing and twisting and blend each color, and then fading some black. And then we're going to start on the outside of the shoe and take our airbrush and take each color with some too thin to run through the air gun and fade each color as we're spraying it. As you can see, I've already laid down some stencils for the sun and moon, so I'm going to spray over that to fade the colors around it, and then we'll remove the stencils once we're done. So we're just taking our colors, fading them nice consistently so it'll be an even blend. We want to follow it with our black and fade it in because we want that nice depth to show that we're in outer space for our galaxy. Next, we're going to take some flat white and do some highlights around our stencils for the sun and moon for extra pop. And then we'll do a light dusting and speckle some stars with our toothbrush and flat white paint. Alright, so before we get the boots over to our customer, let me take a moment to tell you about her. Her name is Ayana, and she is a certified instructor in natural healing, yoga, meditation, and deep breath techniques. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for her business page if you'd like to book any sessions with her, as well as her Instagram page, where I strongly encourage you to follow her and check out her weekly and daily videos, where she shares a lot of information on self-love, self-positive reinforcement, and her yoga videos, which are live, which give great instruction on many yoga techniques. Definitely feel free to check her out and follow her. She has a lot of quotes on self-love and encouragement as well. She's all about positivity and just enlightening, encouraging, and uplifting yourself and overall loving yourself. Very excited to have done these shoes for her. Really great. Let's see what she thinks. Here you go.
I'm so excited. Oh, ooh, I like this box too. Oh, I got my name on it. I feel so special. I love this. This is everything.
Oh, yay.
Oh yes, of course I need these. Oh my god. This is crazy.
You like that?
God. Oh, you changed the laces too?
Oh yeah, I saw those on Amazon. You know, I had a little extra flavor.
This is oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you.
Of course. Of course.
I'm so excited. So excited. I cannot. I don't even want to put them on for real. They just look so nice.
Just sit them on the shelf.
Nice. They're too nice. I'm gonna put them on. I might not walk in them. I might just like take some pictures of them. You know? They just look too nice. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Of course. Of course. As always, I want to thank my viewers for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment below your thoughts on the artwork as well as the skits. Is my car out front? Okay, well, I'm ready to go. I'm going to spend my time. Okay.